Benefits of stem cells. Humans have limited regeneration power, but those cells that are involved in regeneration are the most amazing living cells that act as a supporting system for healing and the well being of the body. There are numerous benefits that mankind could get from these extraordinary regenerative and convertible cells. The main ability of stem cells that has given them a paramount importance in regenerative research and self healing therapeutic treatments is that they are capable of turning and differentiating into any type of cell in the body and can heal and become a cellular part of any type of tissue that is damaged. And this is why scientists feel this potential that stem cells have will prove to be an alternate to the less competent drugs and a cure to a variety of yet uncurable diseases. Pain relief is also a benefit of the stem cells. Stem cells can be used to reduce pain, improve flexibility and mobility, reduce inflammation, and regenerate damaged tissues. When used, these stem cells have fast, effective, and long-lasting results in pain relief. All those patients suffering from huge pain sensations in their joints are relieved by injecting stem cells into the joint, taken from the bone marrow of that patient. Stem cells also have anti-inflammatory effects and can reduce swelling, making it possible to perform regenerative treatments on areas that were previously inaccessible due to large amounts of inflammation. The whole procedure of using stem cells to relieve pain is simple, non-surgical, and very safe. Stem cells can serve a number of roles in treating diseases and conditions, as they can be both specialized to help repair certain organs and unspecialized to help repair damaged tissues. Their specialized function is needed when they are needed to particularly repair certain organ cells, such as heart cells and brain cells, and their unspecialized function is needed to repair other parts of the body that are damaged. And for that, stem cells are taken from the body of the same patient and reintroduced into the area needing repair. Stem cells benefit the field of treating diseases, as the procedure of stem cell therapy recovery has a minimal time of recovery after the stem cells are injected. Other surgical treatments are very time-consuming when it comes to the patient's recovery and have a significantly lower risk of complications than traditional surgery. Furthermore, since stem cells are taken from the patient's own body, there is no risk of any type of rejection or infection, reducing the risk of complications even further. Stem cell therapy offers numerous advantages over traditional surgical treatments. It is a relatively painless treatment as compared to surgical treatments, which involve cutting the part of the body that is injured. In addition to this, any patients who are not in a comfortable state go under anesthesia for the process of surgery. So for those patients who do not have favorable medical conditions for anesthesia, they can opt for stem cell therapy instead. Stem cell therapy is also beneficial to avoid nerve damage, which is unavoidable in surgery. Even though it has now been discovered that stem cells that become mutant cause the spreading of cancer in the body and are named cancer stem cells, the benefit here is that though in this discovery the culprits are stem cells, the positive point is that it is really helping the scientists gain an understanding about the spread of cancer. If cancer stem cells are identifiable, then there are positive chances that by identifying their biological pattern of action and properties, scientists will be able to prevent the spread of cancer. Cancer stem cells actually exist in low numbers in the body and remain unidentified by the drugs used to target tumors, and they also remain unidentified to the macrophages because of the protective protein coating around them. Scientists are working on techniques with which they could first locate and identify cancer stem cells and then destroy their outer proteins to kill them, ultimately putting an end to the spread of cancer. This discovery of cancer stem cells is a valuable scientific breakthrough that has the potential to improve the diagnosis and treatment of cancer. Stem cells have this amazing ability to be stored safely for the future. Stem cells do not expire or die and can be preserved for years. This stem cell banking culture is fast spreading among people. The ideology behind banking stem cells is that people are considering this practice as biological insurance for their future and the future of their families. The unique properties of stem cells to heal and to be involved in future therapeutic treatments have convinced people to go for this future investment for their health and well-being. The property of stem cells to be accepted by the body with zero risk of rejection, because stem cells are actually part of the body and cannot be rejected, is also a reason for banking stem cells. On the whole, the potential of these cells is so great that stem cell research and therapy will now continue to offer new opportunities for tissue regeneration, medicines, and diagnostics. It is certain that stem cells will influence the future of medical therapies. If you are looking for the safest, most effective cell regeneration supplements, please see the link in the description below.